Yep. Broke down in New Mexico. Yep. Last 2 days I was broke down in Oklahoma. Now I'm broke down in New Mexico. They fixed a valve that fell off in Oklahoma. I was in a motel for a few days, and so now I'm broke down on the side of I-40 in New Mexico. Newkirk, New Mexico, that is. So, as you can see behind me, I got my reflectors out about every 100 feet. So I just counted 50 steps to that one, then 50 to that one, then 50 to that one. So it's about 100 feet. 100 feet apart. And I got them at an angle so it kind of directs people to go around me. So here's the first one. We are at marker can't see it. I don't know if y'all see that, but it's 297. Marker 297. I'm gonna go make sure these triangles are upright. I think I did them correctly. There's the next one, yeah. They got little anti-tip dealies. Well, at least it's an overcast day. It could be worse. It could be over 100 degrees stuck out here. But it's nice and cool. About 74 degrees. So yeah, in Oklahoma, the valve came off inside the engine. I picked this truck up in Oklahoma after the Chicago job, and they had major engine work done, and I think they forgot to tighten a lot of shit. So had a malfunction the other day, and then this time I think it's a rod. It's definitely knocking really bad. So as you can see, I should probably bring these triangles out a little more so they can start moving over. Well, let's see if this red truck moves over. Some drivers just don't know how to fucking drive. Ooh, that was nice. Yeah. Like I said, some of these trucks, look at this guy. He's moving back over in this lane. and I'm fucking broke down, and he moved back over in this lane. Yeah, you're supposed to move over, jackass. I probably should put the triangle more further out. I think I'm gonna move these triangles another 50 feet. Got to give these drivers more heads up, because the faster they see these, the faster they move over. So I'm going to move this one pretty good distance. There we go. Thank you, sir. Look at the beautiful hill country over there. Beautiful flat top mountains. So anyways, these guys, all right, so this one's right here. I'm gonna have to move that second one. Try to center it the best I can. I think I'm gonna walk backwards just to make sure I'm safe here. This will help me gauge the distance in between these markers too. Oh yeah, I'm still pretty far away. Try to even these markers out here. I think right there. Almost there. I think right here will be good. So I'll line it up with these railroad track, this railroad crossing right here. I'll go ahead and put it right here. So let's go grab that. Oh, great. But like I said, at least it ain't hot. I don't know what this company's gonna do. First they told me drive, keep going, because they're greedy and they just want this load as close as possible. So probably swap it. So let's grab this good old trusty triangle reflector. Not quite in the middle yet. Like I said, I think this railroad crossing will be perfectly in the middle. So yeah, that's what I got going on right now. I think it's Wednesday. It's Wednesday about almost 3 p.m. That looks pretty good. Now let's make him go at an angle. There we go. There we go. Is that, maybe can I move that a little further out? That's pretty good. I think that's at a good angle. Maybe if I put that one out a little closer to the highway. I think I'm gonna move that one out a little further. Well, at least I got food and water, and my puppy's got dog food, and looks like I'm gonna lose out on a week's worth of work. I don't think they're gonna pay me any breakdown time either, which sucks. That's a lot of money. That's like $1,000. Maybe even more. But hey, it is what it is. Could be worse. Could be worse.